Good morning students. Today we will start unit 7.1 fraction.
Children, before starting this chapter, let us know about what is fraction. Fraction means a part of a whole. It means one or more parts out of many equal parts is called fraction. For example, look at this pizza. Let's divide it into two equal pieces. This is the first part of the whole pizza, and this is the second part. Both of them are equal in size. Therefore, each of the pieces are 1/2 of the pizza. Now, let's divide the same pizza into 4 equal parts. Now, you can see that this pizza is divided into 4 equal pieces. Thus, we call each of these parts as fraction of the whole pizza. This is 1/4 of the pizza. It means it is one piece out of 4 equal pieces. A fraction is denoted by two numbers, one above, one below, and there is one horizontal line that separates them like this. The top one, which is called numerator, is the green part in this image, and bottom number, which is called denominator, are total number of parts, that is both white and green parts. Fraction means parts of something. The bottom number or the denominator means how many parts there are altogether. The top number or the numerator means how many parts we are talking about. Now we are going to learn about two equal parts or halves. When something is divided into two equal parts, we call them halves. One piece out of two total pieces is 1/2. For example, suppose you have a chocolate. If you want to divide it into two equal parts, you cut it in half. Thus, 1/2 of something means one part of two equal parts of that thing. Here, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator, that is number of total pieces of this chocolate. 1/2 can be written as 1/2. Now we will discuss about 1/3 and 2/3. When something is divided into three equal parts, we call them thirds. One part out of three total parts is 1/3. Two parts out of three total parts is 2/3. Now we will discuss about quarter or 1/4. When something is divided into four equal parts, we call them fourths or quarters. One part out of four equal parts is 1/4 or 1/4. For example, consider this pizza. When we divide this pizza into four equal parts, and if I eat away one part, then we can say that I ate 1/4 or quarter of the whole pizza. Here, the numerator is the part being eaten away, and the denominator is the total number of parts, that is 4. Can you say what fraction of the pizza is left here? Yes, you are right. 3/4 of the pizza is left here. Now, let us learn about 3/4 or 3/4. 3 pieces out of 4 equal pieces is called 3/4 or 3/4. For example, look at this biscuit. If you eat 1/4 of the biscuit, 3 out of 4 parts are left. These 3 parts make 3/4 or 3/4 of the biscuit. Here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Students, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood this part of the fraction well.
Now we will do activity 1 of fraction. So let's open here activity 1 of unit 7.1.
Circle the correct fraction representing the shaded part. आपको क्या करना है इसमें शेडेड पार्ट को देखकर सर्कल करना है करेक्ट फ्रैक्शन पर. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट हाउ मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस इमेज. इट हैज़ 3 parts. There are 3 parts and 1 part is shaded, so correct fraction is 1/3. It means shaded part न्यूमरेटर में होगा एंड टोटल पार्ट डेनोमिनेटर में. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सम. देयर आर 2 इक्वली पार्ट ऑफ दिस इमेज एंड 1 पार्ट शेडेड. सो आपको शेडेड पार्ट को ऊपर राइट करना है 1 एंड टोटल पार्ट 2. देन फ्रैक्शन इज 1/2. नाउ लुक एट द थर्ड सम. There are 4 equally part of this image and 1 part is shaded. So write here 1 upon and 4 total part. So write here 4 as denominator, 1/4 correct fraction. Circle on it. Next 3 sums you have to do yourself. Next second sum. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. The first one has been done for you. Students, इसमें आपको shaded part की fraction write करनी है. Look at the first sum. There are 4 equally part of this image and 3 parts are shaded. So numerator is 3 and total parts 4. So denominator is 4. मीन्स आपको शेडेड पार्ट को ऊपर राइट करना है लाइन से एंड नीचे आपको क्या राइट करना है जो टोटल पार्ट्स हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द सम्स यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.